There's a part of every luxury car that most people completely overlook. Not the engine, not the leather seats, the wheels. And yet, a single set of high-end alloy wheels can cost more than an entire ordinary car. We're talking thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars, for 4 wheels. Inside specialized factories, raw blocks and molten metal are transformed into these gleaming, precision-engineered objects, and millions of dollars in wheels flow out every year. So why does a wheel, something that just spins and holds a tire, cost as much as a fortune? The answer is a story of extreme engineering, hidden danger, and the strange economics of luxury. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll never look at a wheel the same way again. Let's start with something most people never think about. A wheel is not a simple object. It might look like a decorative piece of metal, but it's actually one of the most safety-critical parts of any vehicle. Think about what a wheel endures. It carries the entire weight of the car. It spins thousands of times per minute. It absorbs every bump, every pothole, every hard turn, all while the car is moving at high speed. If a wheel fails, the consequences can be catastrophic. This single fact changes everything about how they're made. A luxury wheel isn't just beautiful. It has to be nearly perfect because lives depend on it. Now here's the first reason for the enormous price: the material. Cheap wheels are often made using a process called casting, where molten metal is simply poured into a mold and left to cool. It's fast, it's cheap, and it works fine for ordinary cars. But high-end luxury and performance wheels are frequently made a completely different way, through a process called forging. And forging is where the magic and the cost begins. Forging starts with a solid block of aluminum alloy. Instead of melting it and pouring it, the metal is squeezed under unimaginable pressure, hundreds of tons of force, while it's shaped. This intense pressure does something remarkable to the metal. It aligns and tightens the internal grain structure, making the final wheel dramatically stronger and lighter than a cast one. A forged wheel can be both lighter and tougher at the same time, which is exactly what a high-performance car needs. But this process requires enormous, expensive machinery and far more energy and time. That strength comes at a real cost. Once the basic forged shape is created, the wheel is far from finished. It's still a rough, chunky disc of metal that looks nothing like the elegant wheel you imagine. Now comes the stage that transforms it: precision machining. The rough forged blank is mounted onto computer-controlled cutting machines. These machines carve away the excess metal with incredible accuracy, shaping the spokes, the rim, the mounting holes, and every detail. And here's what's astonishing. The precision is measured in fractions of a millimeter. Every wheel in a set must be virtually identical, perfectly balanced, so the car rides smoothly at high speed. Even a tiny imbalance would cause vibration you could feel through the steering wheel. This machining stage is one of the biggest reasons luxury wheels cost so much. It's slow, it uses expensive equipment, and it wastes a lot of material. Remember, forging starts with a solid block, and machining cuts much of it away. All that removed metal is essentially sacrificed to create the final shape. You're paying not just for the wheel, but for all the material and time it took to carve it out. Then comes the part that makes these wheels truly stunning: the finishing. This is where raw engineering becomes art. The machined wheel is cleaned, smoothed, and prepared for its final look. It might be polished to a mirror shine, painted, coated, or given a brushed metallic finish. Some luxury wheels receive multiple layers of coating, each carefully applied and cured, to protect against corrosion and to create that deep, flawless appearance. This finishing is often done with painstaking care, and any imperfection means the wheel is rejected. At this price point, there is zero tolerance for flaws, and that leads to the next hidden cost: testing and quality control. Because wheels are safety critical, high-end manufacturers subject them to serious testing. Wheels are checked for their strength, their balance, and their resistance to impacts and constant stress. Some are pushed to their limits to make sure they can survive years of real-world abuse. Every wheel that leaves the factory has to meet strict standards, and the ones that don't are scrapped. This obsessive quality control protects the driver and it adds yet another layer to the final price. Now let's talk about the ingredient that pushes luxury wheels from expensive to extraordinary: exclusivity and design. Beyond the engineering, high-end wheels are often designed to be beautiful, unique, even iconic. Some are custom-made, produced in limited numbers, or tailored to a specific luxury or exotic car. When something is rare, precisely engineered, and carries a prestigious name, its price can climb far beyond the raw cost of materials and labor. You're paying for the design, the brand, and the exclusivity of owning something few others have. This is the same force that drives the price of any luxury object, from watches to jewelry. So let's add it all up, because now the price finally makes sense. Start with a safety-critical part where failure is not an option. Add a premium forging process that makes the metal stronger and lighter. Add slow, precise machining measured in fractions of a millimeter. Add large amounts of wasted material. Add multiple stages of careful finishing. Add rigorous safety testing. And finally, add exclusivity, design, and brand prestige. Combine all of that, and a set of 4 wheels can cost as much as an entire ordinary car, while a factory turns raw metal into millions of dollars in wheels every single year. But here's the deeper truth, the one that goes far beyond wheels. This is exactly how luxury and high performance work across almost every product. The raw material is often only a small part of the price. What you're really paying for is engineering, precision, labor, waste, testing, and the story of owning something exceptional. A cheap wheel and a luxury wheel might look similar to an untrained eye, just as a cheap watch and a fine one both tell time. But hidden inside is a world of difference in how they were made and why they cost what they do. And that's a lesson that applies to gold, to diamonds, to fine watches, to almost everything of value in this world. Real worth is rarely just the raw material. It's the transformation, the skill, the precision, and the story wrapped around it. Learning to see what you're truly paying for and why is one of the most valuable skills there is. If you'd like to understand how value, money, and luxury really work, beneath the surface and beyond the marketing, I've put together a clear and simple guide, linked in the description below. If you found this fascinating, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And subscribe to Bullion Lab, where we take you inside how the most valuable things on Earth are made, engineered, and sold. Because once you understand how luxury is really created, you'll never look at a price tag the same way again.